Hello everyone. Today we will configure internet service for 1G SFU ONU. Let's log into the web page using default credentials. Start creating VLANs by clicking Advanced Setting and then VLAN menu. Click the Create button, enter Start VLAN and VLAN and then click Apply. Okay, let's now mark this VLAN as default VLAN of GE1. Click the Apply button to commit changes. Okay, let's create a new line profile. Enter profile name and let the system decide profile ID. Configure T count. Here we need to select appropriate DBA profile. We can toggle between show head switch anytime. Let's finally configure the gem port and gem mapping. Make sure to enter the correct VLAN. Let's click the show button to confirm gem port. Click the apply button to commit changes. Let's now create a new service profile. Enter profile name. Configure profile ID and ports auto handling. Let's configure the VLAN for ONU ports. Set Ethernet port 1 mod to native VLAN. Enter service VLAN and click apply. Let's review the ONU Ethernet port configuration. Click the apply button to commit changes. Click the PON management and then PON setting to configure ONU auto discovery. Turn PON 1 auto discovery switch on and click apply. Let's see ONT auto discovery list for PON 1. We are going to authenticate first ONU manually. Check auto assignment for ONT ID. Select line profile and service profile and click apply. First ONT has been registered successfully. Let's view the authentication list. Virtual port is now need to be configured. Add virtual port from auto discovery list. Enter service VLAN, tag transform as transparent and click apply. That's it. Everything configured successfully. LAN port of my PC is connected to the ONU. Let's confirm the DHCP. Thanks for watching.